Transform your digestive health in 30 days with Acacia fiber. In the bustling world of health and nutrition, the spotlight often shines on the latest superfood or trendy diet. However, the true gems of wellness are sometimes the simplest and most natural solutions. One such hidden treasure is Acacia fiber, a powerful plant-based ingredient that can revolutionize your digestive health. Join us on a 30-day journey to discover how incorporating Acacia fiber into your daily routine could be the key to unlocking a happier, healthier gut. What is Acacia fiber? Acacia fiber, also known as gum arabic or acacia gum, is harvested from the sap of the Acacia Senegal tree, a plant native to parts of Africa, Pakistan, and India. It is a soluble fiber, which means it dissolves in water, and it's renowned for its gentle effects on the digestive system and its myriad of health benefits. Top benefits of Acacia fiber for digestive health. When we look at Acacia fiber and its impact on digestive wellness, the benefits are both impressive and comprehensive. Here's what the latest research has revealed. Supports digestive regularity. Acacia fiber is known to help in maintaining bowel regularity. It acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which plays a vital role in keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Aids in weight management. Due to its high soluble fiber content, Acacia fiber can help you feel full for longer periods, which can reduce overall calorie intake and support weight management goals. Promotes gut health. Being a prebiotic, Acacia fiber feeds the friendly bacteria in your gut, which is essential for maintaining a healthy and balanced gut microbiome, crucial for overall health. Helps manage blood sugar levels. Acacia fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, which helps to manage blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for those managing diabetes. Reduces cholesterol levels. The soluble nature of Acacia fiber helps bind to cholesterol and fat within the digestive system, which can help in reducing overall cholesterol levels. How to incorporate Acacia fiber into your diet. Adding Acacia fiber to your daily routine is easy and convenient. Here are some expert tips for seamlessly integrating it into your diet. Start with supplements. Acacia fiber supplements are widely available and can be a simple way to ensure you're getting your daily dose. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it to allow your body to adjust. Blend it in smoothies. Acacia fiber powder is virtually tasteless and mixes well, making it a perfect addition to your morning smoothie. It won't alter the flavor, but will ramp up the fiber content. Power up your breakfast. Sprinkle Acacia fiber powder over your oatmeal or cereal to kickstart your digestion first thing in the morning. Bake with it. You can incorporate Acacia fiber into your baking recipes. Whether it's bread, muffins, or pancakes, adding a bit of fiber can make your indulgences guilt-free and gut-friendly. Homemade energy bars. Create your own energy bars or balls with nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and a scoop of Acacia fiber for a digestive, health-boosting snack. Soups and sauces. Stir some Acacia fiber into your soups and sauces. It acts as a thickening agent and enriches your meals with the goodness of fiber, without affecting the taste or texture. Crafting a 30-day plan for optimal results. To truly experience the transformative effects of Acacia fiber, consistency is key. Here's a simple plan to integrate it into your life over the next 30 days. Week 1, Introduction Phase. Day 1-3, start with half a teaspoon of Acacia fiber each day. Day 4-7, gradually increase to 1 teaspoon per day, noting how your body responds. Week 2, Integration Phase. Day 8-14, work your way up to 2 teaspoons per day, spread across different meals. Continue to monitor your body's response. Week 3, Optimization Phase. Day 15-21, now that your body is accustomed, increase to the recommended daily fiber intake through Acacia fiber. Make sure to check the supplement's label or consult with a healthcare provider. Week 4, Maintenance Phase. Day 22-30, maintain your optimal dose and start reaping the full benefits, including improved regularity and gut health. Monitoring your progress and adjusting as needed. As you embark on your 30-day journey with Acacia fiber, keep a diary to track your digestive health, noting changes in bowel habits, any digestive discomfort, and overall well-being. Should you experience any adverse reactions such as bloating or gas, scale back your intake and consult a healthcare professional to ensure that Acacia fiber is right for you. Closing thoughts on Acacia fiber. Acacia fiber is more than just a dietary supplement. It's a connection back to nature and the profound wisdom found within it. Its gentle yet potent effects can help pave the way for not just a healthier digestive system, but a harmonious balance within your body. Remember, individual responses to fiber supplementation can vary. It's always encouraged to listen to your body and make adjustments as necessary. And while acacia fiber is a powerful tool for digestive health, it's most beneficial when used in conjunction with a balanced diet rich in various nutrients. Embracing the journey towards digestive wellness. By gradually integrating acacia fiber into your lifestyle, you'll not only improve your digestive health, but also contribute to overall wellness. And it doesn't stop at the end of the 30 days. This journey is about creating sustainable habits that continue to support your health for years to come. The takeaway: a simple addition for long-lasting health. In just 30 days, acacia fiber has the potential to form the cornerstone of your digestive health regimen. Simple to use and backed by the inherent wisdom of nature, it's an ingredient that promises not just a healthier gut, but a foundation for overall vitality. We encourage you to share your personal experiences, tips, and recipes that include acacia fiber. Let's build a community that thrives on shared knowledge and supports one another in the quest for better health. Ready to begin your 30-day acacia fiber challenge? Here's to a transformative journey toward optimal digestive health, one spoonful at a time. Are you feeling inspired to make a change in your digestive health? Acacia fiber might just be the simplest, yet most effective step you can take today. Keep following our channel for more insights into natural remedies, dietary tips, and comprehensive wellness strategies. Together, let's achieve the epitome of gut health and beyond. Join us on this fiber-fueled journey to a healthier you.